Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I'm gonna showing you the best technology lookup Chrome extensions. Yes, so basically what those does is they let you see what technology stack a particular website or a web app is using. As simple as that, and that's it. So just let's dive into the video. So today we will view the plugins or show the plugins in the order from least pricing or free to the highest pricing or the expensive. Okay, so this is our first website, that is what runs. Basically, there is it is in the name, like what runs means what technology runs behind this. So here is a plugin, and when you click the plugin, you can see what what technologies are being used to run this website. So this is our free option. And now next option is next plugin is plugin or Chrome extension is Vapalizer. So Vapalizer does something same, but it gives a little better, like it can detect technology stacks a little better. And here is Vapalizer plugin. Here you can see. Okay, and obviously for the free plan there are some limitation, and for the price, for the like paid plan or pro plan, there are some features available here. You can see it here. And now the pro ones. So build with is basically a website where you can enter the URL of the website you wanna look for, like the technology stack of particular website you wanna look for. You can like give the URL of that website here, and they provide a heck of a detailed like detailed technology stack. And not just technology stack, they give you statistics, they give you A/B testings or something like that, or and many things actually. So build with is totally overwhelmed, like this is for those pro user or those pro technology geeks or those pro technicians who wanna look into every single bit of a website. So build with is for them. And build with also have a Chrome extension that you can obviously run, and it will give you the details. But here is the thing, you can search up to five website with build with. Like you can, on daily basis you can search up to five website and look for the technology stack. Right now I am searching here, like I have already searched that build with website. That's why I will not get like I will get four remaining, right? Four remaining website with me. So that's basically it. And here you can see the membership plan. Okay, and here are the detailed membership plan if you want to look into it. And it's heck of a dollar, $295 for the basic plan. I was like, what? How can it be possible? And if you go to yearly plan, and that's increase up to 2950, $2,000. Oh ho. So basically use whatever you want. Okay, obviously you can use build with for 5 times a day. So that's something you can keep in mind. So use the free tires only maybe. And obviously vaporizer is kind of good, and what runs is also kind of good. So obviously you can try out those also. Try out all of them and let me know in the comments if you liked it or not. And if you like my contents, please consider subscribing. And if you know some of the cool apps or great websites or web apps, please let me know about them in the comments so I can make videos about them in the future. So bye for now.